kakeitita kapkirwok.
Agatin missing chitab Kalenjin netinye komongunet neole ichomegei nui tugul neigere ketesiet nebo Kass TV betut niton bo komut kasi betut nebo let nebo arawetab oeng kenyitab 2025. Tetutiet neitunen inguni ko tetutiet nebo Kass mashinani ko kitokchinigei kekushin gong logoiwek kobun komoswek cheterter eng emet chetesetai kobitu. Itagat missing kikurenon Caroline Kiplagat. Ngetounen county nebo Singishu ole tokchini anan mito barak tetutik che tokchini kabartaetab tugukab kabatisiet en Eldoret ASK Show ole kimongu koegu tondetab kondit President William Ruto. Kosubkei ak nebo kechoret Susan Seron kokosirgei exhibitors chesire 200 ak kimongu kotakotestai koitu alage kobun emotunwekab sang. Ole tononjinet nebo kabartaetab kenyini kotononjin ribet nebo itonwekab emet ak nguni amache kenyorun sirindenyo Isaac Kogei asikoarorwech en koindo kotinygei ak tetutik cheterter chetokchini kasuldaetab kabartaet noton nebo Eldoret ASK Show.
Susan Seron, I chairperson of Eldoret ASK branch, and kimite yu kemwaiwa akobo show ako ki tayari akobo ngalekab show ngiker batenyu komi biik groups kabisa demoplos che ready ako kimeche kemwa kele obwa sitinyo lanan tuguk chechang eng show nyonetkei kora ngalekab biashara, ngalekab agriculture ak ngalekab new technologies ak new innovations. Show kotaugei next week kongete tarik 5 arap somok akoi tarik 8 arap somok. Ako kila betut ketinye guest of honor nenyi. So guest of honor nebo betutab tai ko somok kasi ko our area MPs His Excellency CPA Ruto ako bwoni koboto the President of the National Chamber of Commerce Dr. Eric Ruto. Ko betutab aeng ko angwan kasi ko guest of honor nenyandet ko our county governor His Excellency Honorable Chelilim. Ko betut nebo Friday ko official opening ak kemeche kora kemwa kele nyoni president ak angen ale kasa president angalali rani kikeken kwa muda ak kengen kele this year konyoni sikosich nyikoyat betutab show. Wakulima kokere ako keni inendet because akifika hapa of course wakulima watafurahi na ongen ole sai kakoek city Eldoret, so this is the show nebo tai nebo city of Eldoret. So kisame konyo angen ale kopromiseni lakini kora kotekemeche keimisan konyo. Betutab Saturday ko betut nebo let ak kitinye guest of honors aeng. Nebo tai ko CEO nebo SHA ko NHIF nakibo keny. Obwa sinyotebe nyokoyai registration watakuwa na 10th pia ako mi kora CEO sikosich kowal swali chebo biik ongen akiko ole chang tebutik chetinye biik akobo SHA ako bwoni inendet ak CEO nebo MTRH. Kameche amwa team kora ale team nebo this year kongetu kuyo kou team corona for 5 years, so hii ni mwaka ya 3. The team will be promoting climate smart agriculture and trade initiatives for sustainable economic growth. And gates charges chebo gate kubwani biik kongetu kora ku kenyisiek chun alak makiwal ngobwa lagok ko inegei ko siling 200 ko siling 200 lakini ngobwa ku grupit ku lagokab sukul chekasir grupitab chekasir 10 ko siling 150 lakini kora ko adults biik che echen ngonyo inegei ko 250 lakini ngobwa ku grupisiek komuch ko grupit chebo kanisa, grupit chebo cooperative anan ko grupisiek chebo chamaisiek obwa ko grupisiek sityo osich alipan 200 kochupa kidogo. Komi kora exhibitors aina mingi. Kitinye exhibitors chenyokobortoi ng'alekab somanet chebo CBC, so ngobwa lagok yuto yu nyokoker ng'alekab CBC amu kiy tugul siko CBC. Mi universities, mi TVET colleges, mi tertiary institutions ak alak chechang kabisa chenyokobortoi tuguk che related ak CBC ak new innovations ak technologies ak tuguk chechang. And komi kora seed companies cheu sahi Kenya Seed lekimi yuto yu nyokwoldoi keswek kwai koboru lekimindoi ngwek, lekimindoi bandek, varieties chebo bandek ak tuguk chechang. Ngiwe kora komosta nebo livestock komosin ketinye livestock aina mingi. Kitinye tuga, mi nguronik, mitei nego, mi nego ak goats ak kechirek ak mnyamaishek alak che mpya chekikure llama chetom koker biik. So kinyekebortoi tugul kora chotok. Ako mi kora kit nekekure auction. Auction ko betut nekinyekealdoi tuga on Friday ak kealdoi nego ak nguronik ak ng'ororek. So nyekealdoi ng'ororek, nego ak tuga on Friday. So obwa sityo nyoal anan oteb kityo maswali ole kiboitoi nego ak nguronik ak amu ngel siku hizi oret nebendi biik kofugan nego ak kofugan nguronik because market nenyindet ko kokwo barak kabisa ako makemuchi ke satisfy the demand. Yes.
Maybe exhibitors cho confirm
exhibitors chekikabwa kenyit konye ko ki 116 total. But as we are talking saizi keng'ololi ko kakoit 189. So ki-expectani kosir yoto, ki-expectani akot kosir over 200 because kokeyai marketing ya kutosha, kokesungukan, kokibe marketing ipkeba akoi olimbo Bomet, akoi Turkana, Elgeyo Marakwet, Trans Nzoia. So akot saizi keng'ololi kotokotesetai kobwoni exhibitors nyokobukeni space neng'wanget. Ako noton nekonech boiboiyet amu ngobwa exhibitors kochang'a kou kele nginyo toka sasa inyoni kong'ete asubuhi saa 12 akoi jioni ngiwektoigei ko kainetkei tuguk chebo kwang'ut. Ako kora komi tents chekopichen those exhibitors. Singichokan iwendi round konyitepchi ng'weny icheng notebook kidogo kartasi akisir akikostoi akenetin. Kimeche iwe ng'alekab bank komitei, kemeche kenetin ng'alekab tuga komi, pitep ng'weny ing yundo akenetin olekiboitoi tega, olekinyoitoi ak ne ak tuguk chechang. Mi kora Kenya Wildlife cham komabwoni lakini this year they'll come, watakuja kuonyesha maneno ya wildlife ak technologies. Mi kampunishek cheechen chealdoi tingok, terektok akot cheking'oe rice ak harvesters akot chemengechen, tingok cho mengech chobo hand driven imuch ibate mbaret ngometinye mbaret neo, so imuch inam notok hand driven tractor akibate mbareng'ung. So utakuja kusoma vitu mingi sana. Yes.
Kongoi mising sirindenyo Isaac Ogei tuget noton kong'ete county nebo Uasin Gishu kotinygei ak chopchinetab K noton nebo kabartaetab tuguk choton chebo kabatisiet. Ketesetai kokatestai kursetik chemung'arainik chebo emetab Japan kobwa emoni akotou mung'arosiek eng sectors cheterter chebo bandab tai. Kamwa minista nebo tilyandit nebo emotinwekab sang Musalia Mudavadi kole chang boroinwek chebo mung'aret chebitunotin en emoni ako notok kotache mung'arainikab Japan ak chebunu emotinwek alak chebo sang kokwa emoni akoib amu kikoib serikali kokwautik cheterter cheimuktechini biik chebunu emotinwekab sang kotou mung'arosiek en oret noton ne nyumnyum. Kong'oloni ine en meng'otetab kiyokindetab Japan en emoni Matsura Hiroshi en igorto nebo Japanese National Day.
The number of the Japanese businesses in Kenya now exceeds 120. Since from 2011, the number has been in secular increasing trend and quadrupled. All contribute to the Kenyan economic growth and employment. The modernization of Mombasa Port and the construction of Dongokundu SEZ testify Japan's determination to work together with Kenya. Your Excellency, we keep welcoming enthusiastic Japanese businesses to Kenya, one after another. I call them hidden gems glowing because their operations are still small, quietly serve for the local and national economy in inconspicuous ways, but brilliantly shine in their expertise. Kenya research and development have climbed up to the global competitive stage, as illustrated by the medical research at KEMRI, geothermal power generation in Olkaria, and the numerous digital innovations by Kenyan startups. Kenya should take pride, and Japan will continue to go along with the Kenyan journey for global excellence. Your Excellency, last month, my government established its permanent mission to the international organization in Nairobi. This elevation of Japan's representation at UNON reflects the growing importance Japan attaches to UNEP, UN Habitat, and other UN organizations which reside at UNON.
I am aware that more Japanese delegations are expected in March 2025 for continued engagements on issues of mutual benefit. We welcome them with open arms and encourage Japanese investors to continue exploring the abundant opportunities in Kenya, including emerging sectors of our economy such as agro-processing, financial services, ICT, and the green energy sector. Kenya continues to value and actively participate in the Japan collaboration with Africa through the Tokyo International Conference on African Development, TICAD framework. In August 2024, we participated at the TICAD ministerial meeting in Tokyo, and this year, in August 2025, we look forward to our continued participation at the TICAD 9 summit in Yokohama. As part of the TICAD outcomes, the government of Kenya is keen to facilitate public-private partnerships to create optimum value for mutual benefit between the Kenyan and Japanese public-private sectors. I would like to affirm that Kenya is committed to addressing any existing challenges by undertaking economic reforms at the macro and micro level to attract more investments and deepen economic partnerships. The two friendly states will build on the people-to-people relations, creating strong bridges between our nations. At the multilateral level, I note with pleasure that Kenya and Japan continue to work very closely on areas of mutual interest, including support for strengthening the United Nations Office, Nairobi, UNON, and the collective agenda to reform the UN Security Council.
Ketesetai kotetat konyoru katororet anan promotion kiboitinik cheterter chekibois en kasarta nekoi eng serikalitab county nebo Uasin Gishu. Kamwa gavana nebo county noton Jonathan B. Chelilim kole makat keyochi kiboitinik choto imanda ak kekochi ichek toretet nenyolu.
For far too long, our employees have remained stagnant in the same job group for over 15 years, with some falling victim to selective and unfair promotion practices. We call it skewed promotion. This situation led to widespread demotivation and low productivity among our dedicated staff. Before we condemn the staff, it is good to have a hard look on all of us and ask, how about their welfare? What are they going through? One of the motivating effects is promotion. To put this into perspective, in 2018, 32 employees who were eligible for promotion received letters that were never effected. You can imagine. In 2021, while 690 staff members were promoted, 78 were left behind. Similarly, in 2022, 249 were promoted, leaving 161 deserving employees overlooked. Such inconsistencies have hindered career growth and morale. and as your governor, and in line with my commitment to staff development and to rectify these disparities, we have implemented the promotion of 1,425 staff members effective from 1st February 2025 from Job Group B to Job Group N. This marks the largest one-off staff promotion since 2016, reflecting our dedication to promoting a motivated and productive workforce.
Kongete Wasingishu ngeba koi Bomet ole kaete kapkirwok nebo Bomet Bond amdoindet agenge nebo Bethel Church in Kapkwen Zachary Rotich nekimwaitae yautik chebo kanyalilet eng membaek chebo kanisa noto. Eng taitab kirwogindet anan resident magistrate Lynn Mishuki ko agoi tarik 6 nebo arawetab somok nebo kenyini asikokonu tilet kapkirwok noto agobo kasarta nemoge gochi inendet Bon. Sirindenyo Festus Rono kotinye report en koindo kongeten Bomet.
Kakiitita kapkirwok nebo Bomet amdoindet nebo kanisetab Bethel Church en Kapkwen nemiten en Chepalungu en county nebo Bomet Zachary Kibet Rotich asikirwokyi ine agobo yautiet nekimwaitaen ine kele kibir akometechi kakatonosiek membaekyik cheboto Masiche Rotich en kwenutab alak en tarikit 19 arawetab 2 kenyini en kokwetab Kapkimolo sait 4 nebo koron en maget nebo kekirinda anan kistoenge tamirmirik chemuren. Kakiitita taitab kirwogindet resident magistrate noton ko Lynn Mishuki ole kosom okiliondenyin Kiprono Kadet kikochi bail kobaten makiyonji kosubkei ak nekamwa ofisayat netononchin kirwogutik anan prosecutor en Bomet Peter Mwangangi kole imuch kong'em baornatet ine ak imuch kong'em ine tetutik chebo kerat biik alak chekikimwaitaen lelutiet neu notok. Akot kou noton kotetat kekas kirwokenyin en tarikit 6 arawetab 3 en kapkirwok nebo Bomet akobo angot kikochin bail ak kora kikochi betut netauge kirwoket nenyin. Kong'eten county nebo Bomet logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyun ko Festus Rono.
Kongoi mising sirindenyo Festus Rono. Eng logoiwek alak ko karutechi Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi mengotetab nebo MP nebo Malava Malulu Injendi eng taonitab Nairobi asikokoito ng'oliotab mutyo kosubkei ak menyin. Kamwa Mudavadi kole koibet emoni kandoindet nekoigilchinigei boisionik chebo bunge ole kobotogei ak kandoik alak cheterter.
Sio rahisi kumpoteza mpendwa, sio rahisi kumpoteza kiongozi kama hadhi ya Mheshimiwa Malulu na maisha yaendelee kuwa sawa. Kwa hivyo mimi nasema poleni sana. Mimi ndio mbunge wa Shinyalu.
But we have been trying to follow up closely on how he was progressing. And for a moment he got out of a coma, and we all had hopes that it was now going to turn. We've had, let me just say it, Mestia. We will not want to encourage anything that will embarrass the family.
Kibe kamung'et kitegen chitab kolenjin eng yutobo studio nebo Kass TV tetutet nebo Kass mashinani matinakte amu yekiwege koba kekusheni kong logoiwek alak cheterter kobun komoswek cheterter chebo emet.